Good morning, this is your daily dose of complete health with your local chiropractor, Patrick Hogg. And have you ever asked yourself what's the difference between a chiropractor and an osteopath? It's one of the most common questions I get asked by clients is there actually any difference? I think the logical answer nowadays would be it depends on the chiropractor and it depends on the osteopath that you see. If you look at the history of chiropractic and philosophy, the history of the two treatment modalities or techniques are different. Chiropractic was invented by D.D. Palmer and was always looking at the way that the brain interacted through the body, through the nerve system, and with the spine being the primary focus. Osteopathy was actually designed by a medical doctor. His name was Andrew Still. His dad was a medical doctor and he wanted to find ways of treating the body without using medicines. Now, very much like medicine, osteopathy was very much looking and focusing at symptoms, whereas Palmer wanted to get a little bit more deep into actually trying to treat the causes. And so by removing interference through the nerve system, he was trying to actually then regain the health of his clients. Whereas the alternative with osteopathy, you found that they were doing a lot of lymphatic or organ or soft tissue massage or manipulation in order to try and alleviate pressure on muscles. So the techniques are slightly different and the philosophy of the two is very different. However, nowadays, chiropractors will use osteopathy techniques and osteopaths will use chiropractic techniques. And so it really depends on who you see. Our focus here at Complete Health through our chiropractic care is to get someone's brain and muscle system reconnected with each other so that the body can function at its ideal level. We'll focus on stuff like your posture, we'll have a look at the quality of your skeletal structures on x-rays, and we'll also have a look at the quality of how your muscle system moves and interacts with the environment. We want to try and make sure that we get the health of all those things as good as we possibly can. And the way that we do that is we start removing those interferences in the spine and the muscular system so that the body can interact with the environment and it can move the way that it was supposed to so that the body can do what it was always supposed to do, which is fix and repair and heal itself. And that was the major premise of chiropractic, is that by removing interference from the body, we can allow the body to express and the body can heal itself. That was the major premise. Patrick here for Complete Health, just letting you know the difference between an osteopath and a chiropractor. Take care for now.